Hello and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today we're going to install your new Korky Platinum Fill Valve and Flapper Kit. The first step is to shut off the water supply to your toilet. Next, flush your toilet. Mark the water level in the tank with a pencil. Hold the handle down to drain the excess water. Sponge out the remaining water in your toilet tank. Remove the old flapper. Install the new flapper. Attach the flapper ears to the tabs of the flush valve. Attach the flapper chain to the flush lever with minimal slack. Turn the water supply on and wait for the tank to fill completely. Turn the water supply off and flush. If the water drops within a ½ inch of the pencil mark, your flapper installation is finished. If not, rotate the band to the open position and reinstall the flapper. Turn the water supply on and let the tank refill completely. Turn the water supply off and flush. If your water level is still not within a ½ inch of the pencil mark, adjust the dial so the next lowest number aligns with the arrow. Then reinstall your flapper. Turn the water supply on and let the tank refill completely. Turn your water supply off and flush. Repeat this process until the water level drops within a ½ inch of the pencil mark. Shut off the water supply to your toilet. Place a bucket underneath your tank to catch any excess water. Disconnect your water supply line and remove the mounting nut. Remove the old fill valve. Turn the top of your new fill valve counterclockwise and pull up to fully extend. Place the valve in the tank and press down on the fill valve until the corner of the silver cover lines up with the top of the flush valve. Lock the fill valve in place by twisting the upper half clockwise. Make sure the rib on the top of the valve lines up with the pegs on the bottom half. Place the locked valve in the tank. Screw on the mounting nut, insert the metal clip into the refill tube, and attach the clip to the flush valve. Make sure the refill tube has a direct path to the fill valve. Trim the tube if needed and then attach to the fill valve. Reattach the water supply line. Turn the refill adjuster clockwise to the fully open position. Turn the water supply on and wait for the tank to fill completely. Wait 2 minutes for the water in the bowl to settle. The excess water will drain out. Mark the water level in the bowl with a pencil or dry erase marker. Flush. If the bowl water level reaches the mark before the tank is finished filling, turn the dial counterclockwise to reduce flow. If the bowl water level is below the mark once the tank is done filling, turn the dial clockwise to increase flow. Repeat this process until the water level reaches the mark at the same time the tank finishes filling. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Korky Platinum Fill Valve and Flapper Kit.